Welcome back to our Sunday school, everybody. What we're featuring today is going to be our Nano Pails. This right here is our Super Soap. Our other Nano Pail is Super Degreaser, Super Duty Degreaser. This 64-ounce Super Soap, it equals this 5-gallon of soap. It's very highly concentrated. What we've done right here, we extracted all the water from it and just give you pure soap, pure product. Like that, you can carry this on your rig if you're doing mobile detailing, and you don't have to carry this big old jug. You can carry this 64-ounce and it equals this right here. All right, so now we're gonna get this 32-ounce bottle. It's just pure water, H2O. It's filled up to right here, and all we're gonna do is add an ounce of product in there. 1 pump. So this right here is gonna be a very heavy degreaser. It's gonna be diluted almost like 50-50. So right now we're gonna use the Super Duty Degreaser that we already pre-diluted into this bottle. We use it on the tire and on the rim. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna pump an ounce into this foamer right here, and that's gonna be it. And this right here is gonna give you a lot of sun. All right, so now that we put 1 ounce on the foamer, I'm gonna show you there's a different way we can use it. You can use it as a foamer, or you can also use it in your bucket. This right here is a bucket, 5-gallon bucket of water with only 3 gallons of water inside of it. And I'm gonna put 1 pump. So now I'm gonna foam it up. Okay, so now we're gonna rinse it. So now we're gonna foam it up with the Super Soap. Look at how thick the studs are and the lather. So now that we finished washing and degreasing the wheels, now we're gonna dry it. All right, thanks everybody for always joining us on our Sunday schools. Today we used Super Soap, the Nano Pails, and our Super Duty Degreaser. These are real 2 hot items that you always want to carry with you in your rig. And stay tuned for next week. We're gonna show you how to use Beat It Up.